Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to delete TapTap Send transfer history. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. As of now, TapTap Send does not offer a feature to delete your transaction history. Most financial apps retain transaction histories for security and compliance with regulations. So what can you do now? Firstly, you can contact TapTap Send support. Reach out to TapTap Send's customer support team through their app or website. They can confirm their policy on transaction history and help with any specific requests. Secondly, you can delete your account. In some cases, deleting your account may delete the associate history, but be aware this might be irreversible and could be result in loss of access to all records. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Until then, bye bye.